Good people, I'm back again with another video, man. It feels like I haven't done a video. Well, I actually haven't done another video for a long time. It's been a few weeks, probably like a month at least. That feels crazy. If you do hear background noise, the neighbors on both sides today started being a bit active, making a lot of noise and whatever. So just ignore that, people, man. I got another bargain buy review. These were bought on ASOS for about 35 quid or less. Let's just get into it, man. Puma box. As always, you're gonna see a lot of Puma bargain buyers, people, because I always get the Pumas cheap. And so what pair is this? This is Puma white, Puma X-ray 2 square trainers in white. I can't even remember which ones these are. But let's get, oh shit, let's get it, man. 10.5, Euro 45, US 11.5, centimeters 29.5. Ooh, the white ones, all white. Yeah, I like these, man. The triple whites, or whatever you want to call them. I actually forgot which ones I ordered. These ones and another pair, but we move. Yeah, nice, clean Puma trainers. I know a lot of people will like these ones for the summer. Definitely. Very lightweight. Not heavy at all. Not heavy one bit. So let's just quickly go from bottom. Plain Puma sole. Little Puma logo, plain white. Midsole, completely white. And on the other side, white. Then, which I would really like, it's got the leather Puma logo, leather there. One thing that's a bit different is this is a little reflective material, and then a mesh. I don't know why they did mesh there, man. If they did these all leather, they would be so much better. More leather, a bit of mesh on the back, which I don't mind on the back, whatever, but toe box I'd rather see some leather. They're actually quite good. Quite simple trainers, all white. Just, you know, summertime, you can wear these with some shorts. You can wear them to the gym in the summer. So yeah, the part of the bargain buy reviews, what I've been doing is just cheap trainers, and I think these are really good cheap trainers, worth the price 100%. They look good. I believe anyone can wear these, style these out, whatever you want to call it, and they're only £35, so it can just be a casual trainer to, you know, just wear with shorts here and there during the summertime. I personally bought these just to do the video. Actually, I do like them. They're not bad. They're not nothing I hate. Definitely something I would wear to the gym, or just, you know, day to day, just casual with shorts or whatever on summer vibe. They are really light, and they do also have the soft foam optimal comfort insoles. Let me just undo this and show the insole. So it does say what they are here: soft foam optimal comfort, so it's quite soft, and then you can see the insole. This is one thing I like about these Pumas, they have a really soft insole. Oh, let me try to get it out. Yep, see, foam, so obviously it's not gonna go flat quickly or whatever. Good material, decent thickness. And yeah, people, man, I do know that the Puma videos, people love to watch the Puma videos. I saw that after, so people really love the Puma videos. Those are some of the most popular videos on my channel. So it's with the Puma or the Nikes, whatever. I do want to start, you know, opening up to reviewing more trainers. So please do comment on what type of trainers you want to see, brands, specifics, and I'll do my best to find the trainers, buy the trainers, upload the trainers. But yeah, I like these trainers. Leave a comment below if you like the trainers. As always, an on-foot video will follow, and take care, people.